Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make this beautiful and presentable snack that's very easy to make, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, and stirred till well combined. Once everything has come together, I added in butter. You can use margarine in case you don't have butter. Stir till well combined until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency. Create a well in the middle and add in egg yolk, white vinegar, and water. The water, I didn't add it to it all at once. Beat at a time, mix until it's well combined, and then I added in the rest. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything is added or the water is finished, go ahead and knead it and then transfer it on your work surface and knead it for about 2 minutes. Don't overstress the dough. Do not knead it for that long. Once everything has come together, it's okay. That's what you're looking for. This should be the consistency. Now go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts. Cover it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, go ahead and preheat your oil. Sprinkle flour on your work surface. Transfer one of the dough on it. Sprinkle flour on it and go in with the rolling pin. So I divided it into 2 because I'm having a smaller work surface, but if you have a big surface and you can work with all of the dough, you can go ahead and work with it. So go ahead with the rolling pin, roll it and then sprinkle flour on it. This flour mixed with cornstarch, so a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Fold it in 3 as seen in the video and then roll it again. So at least the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Roll it very thin as seen in the video, sprinkle flour on it and then fold it into 3 parts just like so. When done, sprinkle flour on it again and then fold it. Now keep it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. From 10 to 15 minutes should be fine, but please cover the surface with a cling film to stop it from drying out. After 15 minutes, bring out the dough, sprinkle flour on your work surface and then roll it. At this time, you want it very thin, so make sure you have time for it and roll it very thin. When done, use a pastry cutter like this, like a scone cutter, and then cut this shape. So you can make any shape of your choice. And then there's the egg white that I took from the egg yolk that I took out from the egg white. So that means you do not have to throw it away. Keep it, and then you make in 3 steps. So first layer, add in the egg yolk, then the second the egg white, and then press the middle together to pinch it together. When done, all you have to do is to fry these bad boys. So when you put it in, immediately you put it in the oil, use the back of the wooden spoon and then press it together. So wait until it pop out before raising the wooden spoon. So that's it. Basically, it's very simple, and trust me, it's very beautiful. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Just look at it, guys. This is not just beautiful, it is crispy, it is crunchy, and it's delicious. So when you get to this color golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. So guys, this is it. This is very simple. Please try it and trust me, you're going to love it. Your kids are going to love it. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment. At the end, I sprinkle powdered sugar on top and you are good to go. See you in my next video. Bye.